Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are opening up the Vegan Kind beauty box. They do makeup, they do skincare, bits and bobs like that. It costs £15 every 2 months to have the box and you get around an average of 5 products each time, and I really love it. And I want to show you the October box. Now the only thing I would say about this box is that it always comes really late in the month. And normally it came while I was on holiday as well in Wales, so I couldn't exactly open the box when it was 200 and something miles away. So that's the only thing I would say about this. I feel like if you get a box out every 2 months, you can try and get it at least to all your customers within the first week of the month instead of like late second week. But onwards and upwards. Oh, that just failed dramatically. So I've got the little booklet here all about the products we've got and the prices, but I'm going to leave that till the end so I don't let the prices sway my judgment or anything. So let's see what our first item is. Right, the first item that screams out at me is this massive pot. Now Vita Coco Coconut, I'm sure they sell cooking coconut oil. I'm sure I've got them in my cupboard downstairs. But this is actually a hair mask. It's nourishing for dry, frizzy hair. What? Oh my god, do I have that? It's made with 100% natural coconut, 75% recycled pot. That's very cool. So I guess it's just pure. Oh, it's not pure coconut. It's got loads of other things in. But I would be very excited to try that. The only thing is that I hate the smell of coconut. So if this smells really strong of coconut. Oh, it's a cream. I was expecting it, you know how like coconut oil is very hard at room temperature? I was completely expecting it to be like that. Actually, it doesn't smell too bad. It smells like a hand cream. It doesn't smell like a hair mask, but it's not too strong of coconut, so I might actually get on with this. Number 2, I just see this bright blue pot that I really want to know what it is. So this is Blossom and Bloom. I'm sure I've had something of them before. I think it was a perfume, but this is an all night long calming sleep spray. How to use: spray over your spray over your pillow or bedding. I feel like I need these. I'm not one that sleeps very well at all. And actually my partner bought me one of these recently and I seriously had to use it a couple of nights ago because I was up what felt like all night. When I looked at my Fitbit, it said that I slept 4.5 hours. And only half an hour of that was a deep sleep. The rest of it was light and I was awake. That was a really tough shift. I'm going to spray it on my pillow so that I can see what it smells like. Whoa. Smells like insect repellent. What's in this? Oh, I feel sneezy now. I think I must have snorted some. Rose, I see rose, flower oil, lemongrass. That's probably what smells like insect repellent. Okay, basically it just has loads of flowery things in there. If it makes me sleep, I'm happy. I don't mind smelling of insect repellent. I don't mind the smell of insect repellent. So if it knocks me out for the night, I will take it. Item number 3. I actually have these, bear with me. So I went to Edinburgh back in July and I found these in TK Maxx. So now I've got 3 beauty blenders to keep me going, but I'm not mad about it. And actually I really wanted to learn more about this company because the box was a little bit confusing, like the way they labelled it, so I'd love to be able to read the description later on so I can find more about the company and the products. Bless me. I feel like I should actually get these out of the box because I haven't got the other ones out of the box. So let's give an actual review. How it feels. They stabbed it with the cardboard. That's so cruel. I hope that goes back into shape. It's all like flappy and grooved and they've just shoved it straight in that beauty blender. But it does feel really nice. It's really soft. It's very spongy. So I think this could have hope. But I'd be interested to know what price they give this one singly because I got these 2 for a £5. So if this is about £2.50, then I'd say that's fine. If it's more than £2.50, could get interesting. Let's take a look at our next item. I see snowflakes. Is it Christmas already? I've still got my Halloween decorations up. It's Christmas apparently. Give It Life Watermelon Moisturiser. This is interesting. I love the packaging. It looks beautiful. But I need to smell this watermelon moisturiser. Oh, it's so nice. It's like the KVD foundations. It looks exactly like that same packaging, but I need to smell it. I need to. I'm pumping. The finger is getting a workout. Oh, there we go. That smells so good. I had this watermelon Body Shop lip balm years ago, and that just took me right back to when I bought it in Oxford Street after going to a Madame Tussauds party. That smells very nice. It feels really good as well. It's not too oily, and it feels like it's absorbing quite quickly in, so I think that's a real winner. I really like that, and like I say, the packaging is just gorgeous. So I think I have one more item in here. Rustic Solid Deodorant. I'm not sure about solid deodorants. I've tried a few, none of them have worked, but you know, there's still time to try more. They're definitely better for the environment because it's no packaging, or at least recyclable packaging, but yeah, I'm not on good terms with these. Other thing to be careful of, I've just noticed it says almond oil in here, so it does contain nuts if you have a nut allergy. So normally solid deodorants contain bicarbonate of soda, and people can have reactions to that, but I can't actually see it containing this. So this might be worth a try. I didn't get a reaction last time, but because it's a slightly different formulations to the other ones, I could give it a go. What does it smell like though? I feel like the smell is always very important with a deodorant. Oh my gosh, it's tiny. Surely that would not last you long. Like, that is small. It smells very minty. It smells like toothpaste. But I guess at least you'd smell really fresh. So I will give it a go. I will stay optimistic and we will give that a try. But I would be very curious to see how expensive that is, seeing as it is so small. I don't know how long that would last you. Oh, it does say deodorant mini on the front. So it's like a, is that like a sample one or a travel one? Either way, we will give it a go. So let's take a look at the prices and just see if it's worth it. I'll get my calculator up and we will see how much the box is worth and how much, I guess, saving I've made by only spending 15 quid. So the first one, and I knew this was going to be the most expensive one, and that is the moisturiser. So this is the Frosted Beauty Give It Life Watermelon Moisturiser. It is 50ml, and that retails at £28.90p. So already we've almost got double the price of the box, so that's really good. It describes it as a light consistency moisturiser that provides full skincare. The skin is intensely moisturised without causing the feeling of heaviness, which I vouch for. Like, it's already completely absorbed into my hands, and I can still smell it on there, so it's definitely still doing work. It's not like it's just rubbed off because I've been touching things. So that's good to know. It lives up to what it says. Well, I have so many moisturisers from these boxes now, so I better get using them because I'm probably lapsing a bit, but I feel like this is going to be my favourite. It's really easy to apply. I love the way that you pump it out on your hands. I feel like that's so easy, so much easier than like faffing with lids when you've got little bits of moisturiser on your hand and you're trying not to let it dribble off your hand. I really like the packaging. So the next one is, oh, I just don't even know how to pronounce it. Ethique Botanica or Rustic Mini Solid Deodorant. So I think I got the Ethique? No, what did I get? I got the Rustic one, and that retails at £4, and that's expensive for me. For a deodorant, £4 and it being that small is pricey. I don't think I would be willing to spend that all the time, especially if that only lasted me about a month. That's quite a lot for deodorant. Let's see what it has to say. It does say stay fresh and confident all day long without baking soda, so that's bicarbonate of soda for what I said, and aluminium, which is something I do try and avoid because breast cancer does run in my family, and you know, I don't really want to be promoting that in my body. So it keeps sweat and smell away. Okay, so it does have something in it, I guess, that's an antiperspirant, but that's something I don't normally use because again, it's good to sweat. You got to get those toxins out your body. So maybe I wouldn't use this that much. Rustica is scented with lime, cedarwood, eucalyptus and jojoba, and sweet almond oil for silky smooth underarms. Don't know how it smells of mint then. And then the Botanica product, which I didn't get, which I actually think I probably have liked more, is lavender, vanilla, jojoba and sweet almond oil. It's just too expensive. I wouldn't buy that on a regular basis, I'm afraid, especially as it's a mini. If that was the full-size product, sure, maybe, but it's not going to cut it for me, I'm afraid. So next is the hair mask, and that is £9.99, which again, I feel like it's kind of expensive for a hair mask. I'd usually only spend like a £5 maybe So that's quite a step up. But however, it does give you a discount code with this box, so you get 30% off site-wide, which is actually really good. It says, get to the roots of your dry hair drama. Oh boy, do I have that. The potassium and antioxidants from the coconut water help to moisturise the hair, providing deep hydration and leaving you with luscious locks good enough to swish. Well, we'll see if it lives up to that, and I'm very excited to try it. And I feel like I always need a bit of TLC on my hair. It always feels a bit frizzy and a bit frazzled, so it's a winner, but I probably would buy it again because it's just quite expensive, and I wouldn't really want to spend £10 on a hair mask, especially when you use quite a lot in one go anyway because you're coating all the hair. So we'll give it a go, but it will have to work wonders for me to buy it again. So next we have the Bloom and Blossom All Night Long Calming Sleep Spray, and that is £10. So actually all these items are quite expensive. It's very small for that price as well. So this is the one my partner bought me that I was saying about. That was £3.99 and it's hugely bigger. So this has 120 million, this has 40 million. So for 3 times the amount and more than half the price, I got this. So, you know, it's quite pricey. It would have to completely knock me out in 2 minutes and then I'd be very happy. So frankincense, chamomile, rose water and lavender and linden blossom, I've never heard of that, are at the heart of Bloom and Blossom's all night long calming pillow spray. Spritz over the pillow, bedding and even your PJs to help reduce stress and anxiety for a good night's sleep. Well, I mean, I'll give it a go, but you know, £10 again, it's a lot of money, and I've got that one for £3.99 and that is dandy. And it's in glass packaging so I can recycle it and it's not gonna, whoa, and it's not gonna put more plastic into the environment. So I need a lot of convincing today. I'm being a very negative Nelly. My apologies. And it's only going to get worse now because this retails at £6. £6. And I paid £5 from TK Maxx and I got 2. And they had loads. Check your TK Maxx because I bet you they will have these hidden in there somewhere. So these are a ultra soft, flake resistant and non-sensitive sponge that will allow you to create a flawless, streak-free base every time. Jeez, that's a lot of words. This versatile sponge can be used to apply both liquid and powder products, easy blending, use the sponge wet, basically all the classic things. It is PETA accredited, cruelty-free and vegan, have an eco-focus. They responsibly source the packaging and offer plastic-free products to ensure that we have a low impact on the environment. So it sounds like they offer plastic-free packaging, but this looks like plastic, so I'd be interested to know what that is. It says we are planting 1 tree for every 100 products sold, so there you go. If you buy one, you're going to be planting some trees, which is great. But you know, like I say, £6 for 1 sponge when I got 2 sponges for £5. Shop around, guys, because you never know what you're going to find. So altogether that box came to £58.89, which is a really great price considering I spent 15 quid on it. The box contents is 4 times the price I paid, so I'd say that's a really good going, and I'm really excited to try all the products. Very happy with this little fella, can't wait to crack him out. So yeah, pleasantly happy, can't wait to give them a go. But I will see you in a couple of months' time for the next box. I definitely recommend trying them because they've got a floater somewhere. I do definitely recommend trying them and they are so fun. It's like a little gift to yourself because you don't know what you're going to get. So I love subscription boxes. But yeah, take care. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. If you have this box, do let me know what your favourite products are and why, because I would love to know other people's perspectives on the boxes. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!